Article 5 of the East African Community Treaty provides that it's everyone's right to receive health and education, among other public services, in order to attain sustainable growth and development of the region. Research conducted in the East African partner states indicates that the region faces public budget constraints and limited resources are allocated to public services like health and education. Apart from Rwanda, East African community countries have not made the Abuja Declaration target of 15% allocation to the health sector. Currently, Uganda allocates about 9.6% of the total budget, which is way below the Abuja Declaration. Kenya allocates 11%, Rwanda 17%, Tanzania 11.3%, and Burundi 8.6%. This state of affairs has necessitated a coalition of 500 civil society organizations from the African countries to petition the regional parliament.
And yet we are a region with so much. We have gold, diamonds, uranium. Why are our people lacking? So we are calling upon the East African Legislative Assembly to act, to call our member states to act. It is possible for us to have these public services. We have the resources, and there can be no integration as long as we don't have public services. There will be no trade. We're supposed to have the largest workforce in 2050 as Africa. But what happens if our workforce is not educated, if they can't get health care?
The coalition, coordinated by the Initiative for Social and Economic Rights, together with the Uganda's representative Gerald Siranda, handed over the petition to the Speaker of the East African Legislative Assembly.
Who benefit from the free movement when they have good public service, when they are healthier, when they can contribute to the economy of the region. We spend a lot of money from this region, traveling to Asia, traveling to India, traveling to US and all those to go and seek for public services, to go and seek for health services. Yet we can do well within this region. It's our mandate as legislators, it's our mandate as a parliament, and the EAC in general, to ensure that all our partner states have better public service delivery to the East African citizens.
The petitioners are calling for the enactment of a law that will enforce the provision of public services to the citizens of East Africa.
I am a promoter and demanding that we should get a law, and we should ensure that all our budgets within the East African partner states respond to the demand of good public services.
Call on member states to really step up and ensure that their people are able to get what we think are basics.
Speaker Josephina Kritimana has promised to prioritize their demands since it falls within the core objectives of the establishment of the East African community.
And I'm very happy because what we're defending is also what I feel I could defend.
Jingo Francis, NTV, in Nairobi, Kenya.